Today I will show you how to fix Steam disk write error problem. Let's start. The first solution is delete manifest files. To do this, open File Explorer, then click on this PC from the left side. Here, double click on the drive where Steam is installed. After doing this, we need to find the Steam folder here. If you install Steam on C drive, it won't appear directly here. What you need to do is click on Program Files x86 folder. After doing this, you will find the Steam folder there. Once you find the Steam folder, double click it. Then locate the depot cache folder inside Steam folder and open it. Select all the manifest file here. Then right click. After right clicking, click the trash icon and delete them. We have cleared the manifest files. Now, you can check if the problem is solved or not. Also, don't forget to like the video. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to the second solution. The second solution is to error check the drive where Steam is installed. To do this, open File Explorer as we did in the first solution. Then again, click on this PC from the left side. Here, we need to right click on the drive where Steam is installed. After doing this, open Properties. Once Properties is open, click Tools from the top. Here, we need to click Check. Click Scan Drive to proceed. This scanning process might take some time. The scanning is complete. My disk didn't have any issues, but if your disk has problems, follow the steps Windows shows you to resolve them. After error checking your disk, check if the problem is solved or not. If you are still experiencing issues, we will move on to the third solution. The third solution involves several steps. The first step is to run Steam as admin. To do this, we need to close Steam completely. To fully close Steam, go to Show Within Icons and exit Steam. We have completely closed Steam. Now, right-click on Steam shortcut and open the Properties. After doing this, click Compatibility from the top. From the settings list, find Run this program as an admin and tick the box. Click Apply to save the changes, then click OK. Now, we can reopen Steam. Steam is open. Click Steam from the top left corner and open Settings. After opening Settings, click Storage. Then click on the three dots and select Repair Library. This process might take some time. We have completed the process. Now, click Close and exit this window. The next thing we need to do is click Downloads. After clicking Downloads, scroll down and click Clear Cache. After doing this, you will need to log back into your Steam account. Click Confirm and proceed. After this, Steam will restart. Once Steam opens, you can check whether the problem is solved or not. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.